Today we're making Brie Larson and Josh Weissman's Vegetarian Crunchwrap Supreme. I've only had these while intoxicated after a girls' night out, so I'm excited to see how they taste at 1 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. Let's just get into it. Here we go. I do have most of the ingredients laid out here, so you're obviously gonna need some burrito tortillas, some tostadas, hot sauce, lettuce, sour cream. This is non-fat Greek yogurt. Oddly enough, they didn't have cilantro at the store, so I had to get like cilantro in a paste. I don't know, questionable choices. Mushrooms, zucchini, lemon, and cheese. It's time to actually make the damn thing. So I have the video queued up and I'm just gonna keep watching it and not watching it and then making all the items. So we're gonna make the spicy crema first. Sounds good? Oh, it's spilling everywhere. Okay, 1, 2. 2 teaspoons of garpow. Garpow! Oh my god. This is like a freaking workout, but 100% recommend doing that with your lemons because it gets all the juices out. This is what the crema, this is what it looks like. Not that I like to cut corners in life in general. In cooking I do, so I have shredded lettuce for the herb salad. This is not one way that I wish that I would cut corners, but it was unfortunately the only way I could today. Yeah, it's not great. That's really gross. Look at that, like, paste. I don't understand. Okay. I just want to send my apologies to Brie and Josh for using a cilantro paste and somehow thinking that this is gonna work. I don't know. Not that they're even watching this video. Oh wait, that's not bad. That's not bad. Moving on. Chopping the zucchini in discs. Move over. Time to cook. Nah, I'm just kidding. I can't do that snapping. Yeah. Just put a little bit of olive oil on the stove. And by a little, I mean, it's kind of a lot. Now we add seasonings galore. Okay, I'm supposed to be adding 2 teaspoons of chipotle powder, but I got chili powder by mistake. I think Brie and Josh will be okay with me taking a little bit of creative freedom here. You know, we've already done the cilantro paste, so chipotle powder, chili powder. I'm just trying to make myself feel better.
Put as much as you want, center area.
Put a little bit of cheese.
Well, you can kind of see how mine's in a nice little circle. We're ready, we're pre-shaking. That's what we're doing. We're gonna hit that with our nice herb salad.
Salad?
We can hit it with our tomato.
Oh, wait,
So,
I didn't know there were tomatoes.
you're gonna cut out a little circle about 2 inches.
Oh, okay. We're cutting a hole in a second tortilla to put on top. That's...
And over.
Fold
And
one
then
side up.
Grab that little edge here. You see that edge?
Yeah.
And also fold that in.
Fold
And you'll see
this.
we created that iconic crease.
Fold this. You can't see it because my hand is there, but I made the little guy. She's a little crispy, but she does have some shape to her. I definitely want to cut into it and see what it looks like on the inside. But this isn't horrible, right? Oh my god, look at that. I am not a chef by any means, so the fact that I was able to produce something like this speaks volumes for Brie and Josh's ability to so effortlessly explain how to make this, except for people like me who don't get cilantro, chipotle powder, and tomatoes. Overall, pretty solid results. So now it's time to try it, which is my favorite part of these videos. I did just try a piece of tortilla, I'm not gonna lie. Something came over me. But here it is. In all its glory, does it live up to my drunchy dreams? Oh. I just need one more bite. This might be the best thing that's ever come out of my kitchen. It's so flavorful. That garpow is really like kicking in. The crunch differentiations, the crunches between the burrito itself, like the tortilla, and then the tostada on the inside. You got the flavors, the zucchini, it just like, it really holds that flavor. I'm blown away. I'm silent. My kitchen's a mess. I've got a lot of cleaning up to do, but holy moly, 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 moly. I 100% recommend making this recipe. This was delicious. I absolutely recommend checking out Brie Larson's and Josh Weissman's channels. I'll have them both linked in the description. I've been really enjoying Brie's content recently, especially as an actor myself. She's put out some amazing, amazing content over quarantine. So definitely go check out her videos if you haven't already. Guys, this was phenomenal. Like I'm so excited to turn this camera off because then I'm gonna eat this. Oh my God, what a treat, what a treat, yes. It did live up to the drunchies. Well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Gonna go enjoy my food and then I'll clean up this kitchen because it's a freaking mess.